Yeah, hello guys. How you guys doing today? I believe you guys are good. Today it's our weekly analysis again. And before I proceed, I would love to share some things with you guys. A lot of people, even though we call some trades, a lot of people take them. A lot of people take the same trade we called. Some make money, some don't make money, and some lose more than what they anticipate because it's race swings. Yeah, that was in quotation, race swings that call this trade. So they feel too excited, like this trade is short, something like that. So and eventually they lose more than what they're supposed to have. You know. So one thing I'll tell you guys is no matter how sure a trade might look like, always remember your risks management and always make sure you you do your own analysis. Trust your own analysis. Trust your own analysis. I'll just hold it right there today for today. I believe one of my sessions this week, I'll be talking, I'll be doing more of talks. Yeah, the video that'll be coming out from me this week, I'm doing more of talks, and I might even suspend what's it called, the episode, anyhow, anyway it comes. So today, let's drive straight into what I have in stock for us today. Most of the pairs in which I trade are minor pairs and exotic pairs. So some people make demands of major pairs and the major melter, like I should start analyzing major pairs and major melters and stuff like that. So and oil, stuff like that. So today I'll be starting with gold, and you guys will be so amazed. Yeah, I'll be starting with gold. When I trade gold, the strategy I use in trading gold is different. If you want to learn, you have to subscribe for mentorship. The strategy I use in trading gold is different because gold is different from forex. Yeah, gold is different from forex. A lot of people categorize them as same thing, but they are different. Gold, silver, and metals like that, they are different from forex. US oil is different from forex. Forex is foreign exchange, and it deals majorly with currencies, currency pairs, stuff like that. Okay, so let's do gold. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. So let's do gold. So let's go to my H4. H4. Let's see what we have here. Yeah. So for gold trading, I majorly use support and resistance for gold trading. And this is how I mark out my support and resistance. If you want to learn how to do it this way, as late as this is, yeah, you have to pay for mentorship. So what we are expecting gold to do now for this week, gold is coming to this point. Gold is coming to this point. Gold is tanking to this point. It's coming to this zone. Moreover, this line here is a zone. This line you have here is a zone. I'm just here to call out trades. Trust me, guys. I'm just here to call out trade. So this zone is here is a zone, which means what I'm expecting to see this week is I'm expecting price should come down, flash up to this zone, retest this point, because I'm yet to see a tangible retest of this point. Why am I expecting a retest? Look at the way candlestick has been behaving around this point, snap down, snap down. When price broke this line through, price had to draw it back to itself before going to touch this resistance zone, So same thing here. Price comes back to this point, snapped up, then snapped down because this is a bullish momentum. This is a bullish movement. Like price is coming eventually. So what should happen is I'm expecting price to flash to this point. Then I'll look for multiple weak rejections around this point, just like we have it here. Multiple weak rejection around this point. Then I short to this zone. Yeah, to the zone, stuff like that. So let's measure. How many pips is this? How many pips is this? Let's measure how many pips is this. This is over 600. This is over, yeah, this is over 500 pips. Close to 500 pips. From this point to this 500 pips. So just make sure you see that retest and let price test this zone again. Okay. So that's what I'm expecting for gold. For gold, that's a melter, not forex, melter. Yeah. So for GBP I'll just be doing 3 pairs today. I'm not really feeling too well. So but I must drop it. It's compulsory for me to drop it. So for me to drop this analysis so that you guys can follow and stuff like that. Yeah. So guys, for GBP USD, let me tell you guys something. With what I'm seeing, with the kind of pattern this pair is printing to me, it is possible for us to have this like this to go up this way. There are three possibilities here. There are two possibilities here. Yeah, and I'm going to state them out. Is that we have this possibility, price using this one at first touch, then second touch, then price start breaking to the upside, like start breaking this zone to the upside, or this happens. This happens. There's a shift in trend line to this point here, to this point here, and price come to do stuff like this. Either ways, it will flash up, but we are trying to comes to this point here, create form an M pattern or range, form an M pattern, then drop. This is what I'm saying. So now, how do I know? Now this is like a level. This is a level to us. This is a level to us. So let's go to lower time frame like 1 hour. Let's go to lower time frame like 1 hour. So what am I saying here? Let's see. So what am I seeing here? I'm seeing this point here. Price should come. Let me delete this guy. Eventually, if this trend line will hold, price must come and break this line, this high. Price will come and break it. Once price break it, and you start seeing weak rejections around this point here, around this point. Let me just mark out the areas for you. Around this point, around this point. When you start seeing weak rejections around this area, they know you have to short. You're shorting. You're shorting. So this will become the impulsive movement. This will become the impulsive movement. Impulsive movement. This will become the correctional, and this will be the correctional, just as I thought in the last class. Is the last one or the previous one now? This will become the correctional to short. So why am I, for me, the percentage of me shorting and the percentage of me buying is 70 to 30. I'm short is 70 while long is 30. Why am I saying that? Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's see what this pairs are saying. Let's see what these pairs are saying. Marking this guy historically, using the strategy I use on gold. I'm not here for explanation. I'm just here to do my thing. So you guys should bear with me. So don't worry. You guys, once you guys you guys will understand this, okay? Yeah, so one thing you should know, what I'm marking is called zones in the market. And trust me, watch out for the episodes I wish we are on. I'm going to talk about this. The only advantage someone that subscribed for mentorship will be having is they will have access to this as soon as possible. You understand? Because I already have I have my private mentorship class in which I teach people this, how to use this and stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, so let's drop this line in. Drop this line here, beautiful. So now look at what's happening here. From a higher time frame, from a monthly perspective, look at what's happening to price. Price is dropping. Price is dropping. The characteristics of price dropping is price will keep creating lower lows and lower high. This is a high, this is a low, lower than the previous low. This is a high, lower than the previous high. This is a low, lower than the previous low. This is a high, lower than the previous high. This is a low, lower than the previous low. So what are you? This should be what? A high, lower than the previous high to create a what? A low, lower than the previous low. So that is one of the things that is informing this decision. Okay. So that is one of the things I'm saying. So that's that on GBP. So let's go to Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Let's see what's happening there. Yeah, same thing is happening here. So let's just switch to H4. I think I have some zones there already. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. So it has already happened on, it's happened, what I explained on GBP has happened on euro. So trust me, guys, we are short on euro. We are short on euro. Once price comes to break this guy here, guys, this is a live trade. I'm calling for you guys. This is a live trade, guys. Make money, make money, make money. Once price comes to break this guy here, yeah, this pips is kind of much, right? But trust me, it's worth it. Once price comes to break that guy here, short, this is where price is going. This is where price is going to. This point here. Why are you targeting that place? Don't worry. That's why you need mentorship. So that's where price is going to. Once price breaks this point, so this will be the first touch, second touch, then price will come down to this point. Let me tell you what will happen. Let me tell you what will happen now. So listen, price will come down to this point, break this point to this point, you test this point, then drop to this point. So that's it. That's it. That's it. How many pips are we catching? Let's see. We are catching 640 pips. Yeah. So that's that on euro. That's that on euro. So, but make sure you see that our confirmation before you short. Make sure you see our confirmation. We also have this trend line like this way. So whatever that happens within this point here, whatever that happens within this point, but I'm sure the price should short from this point. Price should short from this point. Price should short. Once it breaks this point here, price is coming to this trend line to retest a bit, then we go down. So let me represent it diagrammatically. Come to this point, retest a bit, because this is like a support, then might come down, then we drop. So that's the kind of, so once I see this happen, I'm going to alert you guys, okay? So that's what I'm expecting. And for those that trade what pair again? Yeah, let me go to CAT CHF. Let me go to CAT CHF. Some people are wondering when this was buying, I told you guys to exit. Can you guys remember what I told you guys? I told you guys, for those that you can go and watch the last, is it last weekly analysis or the previous one? I can't remember now. I told you guys that from this, I told you guys around this point here. I told you guys around this point here. That's the reason why you need to stick to chart. Experience is key. I told you guys here that price is going to break out of this point, then come back into it, then trade below it. Eventually, that's when price will now start going up. I told you guys, right? See what happened. Price breaks above it. Price is coming, is going to trade below it. Then if I now see any sign of any sign to long, then I long here. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Okay, that's what I'll be doing, guys. So that's that for that. That's that for that, guys. That's that for that. That is that for that. So what other pairs are there in my request now? Let me see GJ, GBP, JPY. Let me see GBP, JPY. Okay, okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Let's remove drawings. Let's see what we have here. I'm coming. I'm saying something that my eyes is familiar with. There's something that my eyes is familiar with. Aha! I knew I saw it. My eyes is familiar to this pattern. Yeah, beautiful. So regardless of what you see me do here, don't take any decision. Don't take any decision until you see this happen. I'm going to tell you guys now. Until price come back to this point, there are more to this analysis here. You can see I did some analysis before, but this is all I did here is just an update. So don't take any decision, because what you can see here is price might start ranging, do this, then come down, so touch this point. So price comes back into this area, then you can look to long. Okay, let me adjust and let me adjust. Once price come back to that area, then you can look to long this area. Then you can look to long. But if price does not come back to that area, if price flash up to this area, please keep your long bias. It's still a long. Okay. When will it expire? Once price comes to this point here, if price now comes to this point here, like if price flash up to this point to aha, they short. But if price fails to flash up to this one and keep ranging, just keep a long bias, okay? That's what will eventually happen. I'm going to update you guys concerning this. So I'm so sorry, I'm not feeling so well. I feel like I wish I could go through all my pays here. And what we are seeing is currently happening. Trust me, guys. What we're seeing is currently happening, and I feel like I can go through all this chat, but I'm so sorry I can't this night. I'm feeling so down and weak. So you guys should have a nice time. You guys should keep the fire peeping, and you guys should have a nice time. By the way, bye, guys.